It's snowing or icing or something. Snow day in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's so brick out here. It's ice, baby. Yeah. Good morning, lovely. So this is what my girlfriend did. Yep. We got a bird. We're making soup. Hopefully. Soup.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
We're doing them. Our vision boards, you guys. What we wanted. And looks like we skipped a whole page. Alright.
2 hours later.
Yes, you guys, so this is the finished product. And we got all of the pictures out of that book. And of course, you know, we had wrote our own little stuff on there. This is mine. Money comes to me effortlessly. Have an open mind. Hustle every day, all day. I am willing and able to receive what I want. I am ready to fulfill my potential. You see that? You see how I did that? Yeah. Abundance. Never let the things you want forget about the things you have. Self-employed. Mom. Of course, miracles happen with the baby feet. We got a check. 0 debt. Making things happen. Subscribers. Money. Hustle. Balance. Being creative. Workout. Eating healthy. Dream big. Saving. It's everything. It's all here. Okay? And this is babies. I think it's crazy how we kind of got the same thing. So it's like we're on the same path. Go DJ. Be a warrior, not a worrier. She needed that one, y'all. The lines, and that's how it's together. You ready? We out here. Baby, give me shoes. Our first snow day. Somebody found some chicken. We've been in the house all day until we couldn't take it no more. It's starting to become that nasty slushy stuff. Oh shit. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna put y'all down because if I fall, I'm gonna be so mad. made soup. I'm gonna get to show you guys our soup when we get back. They're so cute. We look like we got on everything out of the closet. That's how you know Southern people ain't never ready for snow.
That's what I was thinking when we got dressed. I looked at you, I said, damn. You looked at me, I was like, God damn.
At least you match. I got
on blue, red, white, black, and orange.
Y'all, we've been in the house doing babe things on a snow day. Cause baby didn't have to work. Yay! Everybody coming out, honey. You got to bust out the house now. You done been in there all day. I need a snack and don't even need a snack. But you want a snack. Oh, I just pray somebody been over here to the back gate. You think they've been over there?
Yeah.
But yeah, we out in these snowy streets. How we gonna tell them how the roads is if we only just going to the corner store?
That's gonna be telling it.
Okay, we're going to the corner store. To the corner store, to the coffee costs $1 at the corner store. You know what I said? Coffee costs $1 at the corner store.
That's wrong movie.
No, that's that thing that say test your New York accent. Oh shit. She can't even see the speed bump.
This probably ain't gonna happen again for another 3 years.
Well, they said it's gonna happen next weekend too. I'm ready. See that? What's this? Goodness, me and baby made it. I ain't never even had no soup like this, so yeah, see, it looks good. See that? Just wait till we eat it. People say eat it with cornbread, but I don't eat cornbread, so we got some Hawaiian rolls. And that's gonna do the justice. Hot meal for a cold day.
Three days later. The next day.
Good morning, lovely. Y'all, this is our Pudgy. She's so adorable, but she's skitsy. You know, a little scary sometimes. We just woke up. We're about to try it out. Do. Y'all see, isn't it so cute? I'm so grateful. She loves me. My girlfriend brought me flowers. I'm so thankful for hours.
I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne.